In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your driver's side headlight on your Kia Soul. It's located in front of the car. You're going to use a 10mm socket. Take out this bolt on this side and the one on the other side. Next, we're going to take out these plastic grommets. Going to see if it comes out. Well, that's good. All right, a good way to get these out is put a little pressure on the bottom, underneath, and then they'll come right out. Next, you're going to do these. Okay, once you get those out, you can take this off. If your vehicle had an under tray, remove that first. And then we're going to remove this and work our way down. Some of the parts on this vehicle are missing also, so. I'm going to take this. This holds the fender cover. There's one on the other side as well. You should have a plastic tab here to remove, and one on the other side as well. Next, we're going to remove the other side. And also take this out if yours is not broken. All right, so now we're going to take out this screw. It connects the bumper to the body of the car and the wheel well. All right, so now we're going to take out this screw. So you're going to pull out and then forward. Do it on the other side as well. All right. Okay. All right. So there's a little tab underneath this piece, and you're going to pull up and out. Same on this side. Pull up and out. You're going to use a 10mm socket. Take out this bolt and that bolt. So we're going to unplug this plug, set it off to the side. Next, you're going to grab it from this side and pull. Place your headlight where it belongs and line up the push clips on the bottom. Once you're lined up, you're going to snap them in. Next, you're going to put your 10mm socket bolts in where they belong. And Tighten them down. Make sure your connector is facing upwards with the tab on the top. Push until you hear the click. So now we're going to put our bumper on, reinstall it. It's helpful to have something nearby to help hold it up. Before you start snapping in anything into place, make sure you are lined up everywhere. We're looking good. All right, so once you're lined up, you can go ahead and snap that in. Work your way to the front and put the other side in. So right here and here, there is a little thing sticking up out of the bumper frame. You're gonna make sure that your plastic is lined up with that stuff. And then we're gonna work our way to the side. Gonna have to give it a whack if it's been in an accident like ours. Otherwise it should snap in nicely. Put your plastic pieces in here. You're going to need 3 plastic grommets for the 3 holes to attach this cover. Alright, so now it's time to put our plastic pieces back. Put your hooks underneath. Now we're going to bolt it down with bolts on either side, here and here. Tighten up this side. So now we're going to put our plastic grommets in to the holes. You may have to replace some of these. Put the next 3 in. right, so I'm going to attach these clips. My other one's broken, but we'll do our best to fasten this bottom part. All right, next we're going to do these. All right, now we're going to put these in these holes. Make sure your fender liner is secure. All right, so now we're going to put our screws to connect our bumper to the body. These are really important ones. Without these, your bumper might fall off. Once you have your headlight installed, make sure you check it for its functionality and take it for a road test.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.